History of the USA stock market. Picture this. A time when fortunes were made and lost in the blink of an eye. A single moment could change your entire future, forever. But what if I told you the key to understanding the future of your money is rooted in the past? The story of the USA stock market is more than just numbers and trends. It's about the emotions, the lessons, and the actions that shaped the financial world as we know it. Stick around. You'll never look at your money the same way again. Chapter 1. The birth of the market. Let's travel back to 1792. Imagine a group of 24 stockbrokers huddling under a buttonwood tree in New York City, signing an agreement that would unknowingly lay the foundation for the world's most powerful financial system. This is where it all began. The Buttonwood Agreement was a small deal on paper, but in reality, it was the spark that ignited the fire. The New York Stock Exchange, or NYSE, was born. And with it, the idea that ordinary people, not just kings and emperors, could own a piece of companies. That moment marked the beginning of a revolutionary shift. But, as with all great stories, it wasn't smooth sailing. You see, in those early days, the market was wild, unstable, unpredictable. The 19th century brought financial chaos and panic, like the Panic of 1837, which left thousands bankrupt. But the market survived. And it kept growing. Why? Because people believed. They believed in the power of ownership and the potential for wealth. This belief would carry them through every crisis. So, if you think the stock market is chaotic today, well, get ready, because it was a lot crazier back then. Chapter 2, the Roaring Twenties and the Great Crash. Now, let's jump to the Roaring Twenties. The market is booming. People are feeling good. It's a time of prosperity, of jazz and speakeasies, of excess. And what happens when everyone feels invincible? They get reckless. The stock market became a gambling game, and thousands piled in, hoping to strike it rich. It was a party. But, like every party, someone always crashes it. And on October 29, 1929, the day we call Black Tuesday, the market crashed, sending shockwaves through the entire economy. By the end of the Great Depression, millions lost everything: jobs, homes, savings. The economy was in ruins, and the stock market had taken a brutal hit. But the question on everyone's mind was, could the market survive this devastation? Could it ever recover? Well, just when it seemed like all hope was lost, something happened that would change the game forever. Chapter 3, the rise of modern markets and the new age of investment. In response to the Great Depression, the government took action. The SEC was created. New laws were implemented to regulate the market and restore trust. And by the 1940s, the market had begun its long climb back. But it wasn't just the market that was changing. The people were changing. The introduction of mutual funds, the rise of 401ks, and new investment vehicles gave the average person a way to invest without being an expert. And then came the boom of the 1980s and 90s, the rise of the tech bubble, dot-com stocks, and the idea of get rich quick. But you know what they say, what goes up must come down. In 2000, the dot-com bubble burst, sending stocks into free fall once again. But this time, the recovery was faster. And here's the kicker: the more technology advanced, the faster the market grew. By the 2010s, we were living in a new era of online trading, ETFs, and apps that made it easy for anyone with a smartphone to start investing. Now, here's the big question. With all the ups and downs, the crashes and comebacks, what does the future hold? Can you truly build wealth by investing in the market today? Or are we heading toward another crash? Chapter 4, the future of the market and what it means for you. Let's face it, the stock market today is a different beast entirely. We're not just talking about stocks anymore. We're talking crypto, NFTs, AI-driven trading algorithms, and retail investors on Reddit driving the market up or down. The speed of trading has never been faster, and the risks, well, they're just as high. With the rise of meme stocks and sudden surges in volatility, the market seems more unpredictable than ever. But here's the catch. The market has always been volatile. It always will be. The real question is, can you learn to ride the waves instead of being crushed by them? Because, despite the uncertainty, the market still offers opportunities. The key is understanding the patterns of human behavior, fear, greed, excitement, and using that knowledge to your advantage. And while history has shown us that the market can be a place of both peril and potential, one thing is certain: the future will be shaped by those who are prepared. So, the question is, are you ready? Or will you be left behind, watching from the sidelines while others take the leap? Stay tuned, because in our next video, we'll break down the strategies that can help you thrive in this unpredictable world of investing. If you're serious about making your money work for you, hit that subscribe button now, and don't miss the next chapter of your financial journey. Thanks for watching.